Sorry, I got cut off. And I believe they've said that these holes are good for ventilation. So if you come across these nice deeper flower pots, pick one up. And I also picked up another one of their planter trolleys because I'm going to attach it to another basket that I have. So there's that. Okay, guys, so that's the haul for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos and my suggestions for the new the new finds I found at my local branch. If you see them, please go pick them up. And if you like what you see, give us a like, comment down below. And if you'd like to follow my videos, don't forget to hit the subscription button and notification button so you can be alerted to my next video review DIY. So until next time, guys, I hope you've enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. XOXO, nerdy girl.